If you have a project, presentation or essay or anything else where you need to organise your ideas before getting started, check out mind mapping in Freeform. Let's have a look at how it can be done. So in Freeform, we're going to create a new board and we're going to get rid of those background dots by clicking this button. Now for this quick tutorial, I'm just going to create a mind map all about Scotland, just as an easy example to show you the different things we can do. So I'm going to start by renaming my document, and then I'm going to go up to the Shapes tool, and I'm going to pick a shape that's going to form the centre of my mind map with my mind map title. So here we go. I'm going to enter Scotland for the centre of my mind map. So I can tap on the shape and it gives me various formatting options as well. I can change the font colour, the size, the alignment, and various other bits too. And I can move my mind map title around. And as Freeform is an infinite canvas, I can make my mind map as big as I want. I'm not limited by the size of the page. Now I want to make some labels for my other sections, so I click the duplicate button, edit the text and position them where I would like them to be. Now that I have all my different areas labelled, I'm just going to change the colour of the central one so it stands out a little. Next up in shapes, I'm looking for this one. This is my connector. I can move it around, and when one of the blue handles at the end goes near another object, it gets a little glow around it, which means it's joined to that object. I'm going to repeat this process again, joining the blue handles from my central title to all of the different nodes in my mind map. And you can see that little blue glow that happens on each of the items as I join them together. Here's the basic structure of our map, and because we use those connectors, if we move our nodes, they will stay connected to our central title. And this is super handy as we might need to move the nodes out as our mind map gets larger and we include more information. We can also edit the look of our connectors. Now we have the basic structure, let's add some information. Let's focus in this area here, and we can add some information using our markup tools. So I'm just going to add a little drawing of the flag and label it using my pen tool. I can use the three little dots to go into split view and take images from Safari as well. So let's add a picture of a thistle by holding down on the picture I like and dragging it from Safari into Freeform. And once again, I'm going to label my picture using the pen tool in markup. I can also add web links to my mind map. Again, three wee dots into split view, and I can hold down on the web address and drag that into Freeform. And that web link is now embedded in my mind map. I can also use the connector tool again to join that article to the relevant node. The beauty of building your mind map in Freeform is that you can add all sorts of types of media. You can also use the sticky note button to add little sticky notes, perhaps if you have specific questions that you want to research or find out more about. And you can format your sticky note too. Let's change the colour of it. So you can see that our mind map is starting to take shape. Let's zoom out. I can add images, web links, sticky notes, drawings, and even shapes from the Shapes library. Mind mapping is a great tool for helping to get your thoughts organised. Now give it a spin on Freeform.